Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn how to install Python in Mac OS. So, the very first thing we will download Python from the internet. So, for that go to your browser, go to google.com and then just type for download Python, download Python. Okay. So, here you see the very fast link, just click on that. Here you can see download the latest version for Mac OS. I am using Mac, that is why it is showing for me the Mac version which I need to download, that is 3.12.4. So, let me click here. So, you can see it is getting downloaded. Okay. Once download is complete, just click on that. So, here you can see it is downloaded. Let me double click on that, click continue, 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 click on agree, then install. So, it is getting installed. Okay. Let it complete. So, the installation is completed. So, here you are seeing the interpreter called idle. Okay. Let me double click on this. Okay. So, here we can see whether Python is installed properly for us or not. So, what you can do, you just type here print, then hello world. So, here you see hello world is printed, it means Python is installed properly in your Mac. Okay. One more thing also you can do, you can go to your terminal and you can just do Python 3 minus minus version. Okay. So, here also you can see the Python is installed properly for you. So, it is pretty easy to install Python in your Mac. In our next lecture, we will see how to install it in Windows system. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.